Yeah, this is how we're starting.
With me eating my empanada. On our way to hike Waterfalls.
What's it called? Trace Waterfalls?
3 Lost Waterfalls.
Oh, 3 Lost Waterfalls.
Waterfalls, yeah.
Hopefully we can find them.
They're not that lost.
There's supposed to be a path.
I'm sure Google knows.
Google knows everything.
Except for how long this wait is going to be.
Whoa, Orsi, look at that. Totally looks like a Panamanian devil's toast.
We are straight up in a canyon. Ooh, look at that road. It looks a little gnarly.
We're not going down that, are we?
We could probably park right there. One great hike. 3 fabulous waterfalls.
I remember this time so I can actually see how far we went and how much of an ascension and descension and whatever. All of this and we haven't even gotten to like the start of the trail.
Nope, haven't even started. My heart rate's already at 130.
137. Now that is a beetle. Look at him go. Look at those arms.
I wonder what his heart rate's at.
Oh no. Mine's at 130. His has got to be up there.
Cool.
Oh, it's so slippery.
Oy.
You.
Oh!
No, I had such faith.
Oh.
All right, hold on. I'm gonna help you out.
You're gonna help him?
I'm gonna help him. Look at it. Oh no, he's got it all on his own.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
He doesn't need human intervention.
Man, look at those like little crab claw extra thingies on there.
Honey, this is a long hike and I shot a lot of video yesterday.
I know, sorry. He's such a gold beetle. Is that the welcoming committee?
Someone's beeping.
That was a bird.
Was it?
Oh. Man, look at this place. Do you like living here? Huh? You like it?
Te gusta viven aquí? En español. He doesn't understand English.
Es beautiful. Pero, ¿cómo está? Look at all those hydrangeas. Those are lovely. Chiriqui, look what I found. Panama's fastest moving caterpillar.
Super fast and twitchy.
Check out his little orange and blue bubbles. White spiky looking tail. Pretty hardcore.
Buenos días.
¿Tiene cambio?
¿Para cuánto?
$1.
Sí, sí, sí.
Sign in. Oh, we're the first ones. El primero,
Sí, primeros.
chicos y chicas.
Chicos y chicas. Número 2, 25 minutos.
Ok.
Pueden nadar una cueva. Para 3 un poco difícil. Difícil,
Sí.
difícil, difícil, difícil.
Sí.
2 y 3. 2 y 3, 30.
Difícil, ¿por qué?
Porque está un poco espinado, un poco rebaloso y un poco lodo.
Okay. Rocks and
2 y 3, 30 minutos más. Luego final, puede nadar. Luego retorno. Difícil, difícil, difícil. Para número 1 y cabaña.
Okay.
Y el punto rojo no. Porque es un mirador, es pura roca, se puede resbalar y un accidente. Eso no.
No bailar.
No.
No.
Solo puede nadar y nadar.
Nadar y nadar.
No jumping.
No jumping.
No
Okay.
jumping.
Mucho cuidado.
Mucho cuidado.
Mucho cuidado. No jumping.
No jumping.
¿Por qué?
Porque
No jumping. ¿Cómo se dice jumping?
saltar.
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 Saltar o nadar, saltar.
Saltar o nadar.
En clavados olímpicos.
Olímpicos. Yes. Dive.
Sí.
Ok, bien.
Muchas gracias, mucho cuidado. Si necesita baño, hay baño abajo.
Oh, gracias. Baño.
Gracias. It's a lot of privacy around here.
Try to be. Catch him.
You won't let me down. I can feel it. You won't let me go. I can.
Our first waterfall. Technically, it's waterfall number 2.
Pretty legit hike. Ooh.
The story goes, the first 2 waterfalls are easy. The trail to the 3rd one is difficult. And that's what we're on now. Hence the ropes. Still not like crazy difficult, but more difficult. Yeah! Lemon cookies! Yum. Look at that downhill arrow. That looks like an ankle breaker. You're in the middle of the trail.
No pase.
Got this idea that I want to do for our patrons. It's like a minute of, I don't know, nature. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. Doesn't have a name. But this looks like perfect spot to capture. Doesn't that look peaceful? Definitely a good swimming spot. Nadir?
It looks nice, but it looks cold.
It didn't look that cold.
Gonna be chilly. You first.
Okay. After the waterfall.
Okay.
I hear it! Tried to fly the drone, but because we're in this canyon, under a canopy of trees, under the fog of the clouds, we couldn't get a satellite. Which is a bummer, because we wanted to get this beautiful shot. Maybe we'll have an opening later, but in the meantime, it's empanada time! Oh.
Spinach and cheese. Not a bad place to have lunch. It was crawling over here and then it like jumped so fast way over there. Neato.
Man, it's fast.
There's Jason's swimming hole. Are you going in?
Our audience demands nudity.
Oh.
I know they all want to see me get naked. But I have to give you bad news, I brought a swimsuit.
Womp,
Don't get to see my white ass. What was that, honey?
But I'll get in if everybody else is getting in.
Peer pressure, peer pressure. Don't wanna.
Cold. Gotta be cold. I don't like being cold.
Oh, cover your neck!
It's not cold. Yeah. It's cold. Even for the Canadians, eh?
Oddly, it's so cold that now out, I feel kind of hot.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's cold.
What is he getting himself into? He can't even walk up the thing. No bailar, no bailar.
Oh yeah.
Don't be. Don't be.
I'm dead.
Apparently there's what kind of fish in this river?
Oh, right.
Wow!
Oh.
The penis one, right?
Yeah,
one
the
that-
fish that swims up your urethra.
Yeah.
Don't pee.
Do not pee.
Alright, on that note.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have a towel.
Nope, air drying.
Air dry. Get out the drone.
Now that we're in defrost mode, we'll warm up by heading back to waterfall number 1, which they tell you to skip for some reason on the way up, and come back to at the very end. That's where we're headed to now. So far, so good.
Worth the $7.
Yeah.
Or 14, I guess.
$7 per person. They say it's to keep up the trail because it's on private land, but he is legitimately keeping up the trail. There's a bathroom, nice little check-in, so, you know, if anything happened to you or you went missing, I don't know, seems nice. Here comes Jason in his super epic hiking outfit, looking hardcore. I think
Nailed it!
I think what was one of the comments during the first lobster fishing video? Those shorts are crime against humanity. I voluntarily married that man. Yeah.
first little glimpse of the waterfall in there. Right?
What? Waterfall, waterfall, waterfall.
Barely see it through there.
Love the waterfall. Feels so jungly.
Fine.
Found a Panamanian caterpillar. I don't know what kind he is. He has neat legs and a red face. Got a nice big clearing. Maybe this spot will be a little bit better. I feel like we're a little higher up, so maybe that will help out. I'm gonna give it a go.
If I know it, you won't let me down. If I know it, you won't let me
Great success. That's a wrap.
Hike it up, hike back.
We made it.
We made it.
All right.
Hike report.
Hike report is 5 hours and 48 minutes. Distance 10.7 miles. Total ascent 1,374 feet. See, anything else notable in there? Oh, I think that's about it. Is it good?
It's a good warm up for the big hike.
Yeah, okay, so we discussed it on the way back, and we decided that on a scale of 1 to 10, we gave it between a 5 and a 6 on hardness level, like because of all the up and downs. If you had any-
Difficulty, she means hard by hardness.
Thank you, difficulty. A 5 or 6. But fun factor was definitely a 10.
Whoop whoop.
Whoop whoop!
Let's go back home.
Now I'm tired. If you liked this video, make sure and give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment down below. Other than that, we'll see you next time.
Thanks to our patrons.
Thanks everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Say bye everybody.
Bye.
Everybody.
Share
Everybody.
this.
Share this. Good job, Dustin.
Yeah.